go to my friend's house. They're about to pick me up in like an hour, I believe, and I'm sleeping over there for the weekend. So I'm just gonna be kind of vlogging of what we do while I'm over there. I don't really have anything planned. I know we're gonna go out with her family and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, so right here I have everything packed. I have my pillow, my sweater, my duffel bag, and that's what all my clothes and stuff, my makeup bag. And then my mom packed me my air mattress. So now I'm just waiting for them to come pick me up, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm there. Okay, so I made it to her house, and this is my bed, and I got my plushie here. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys the next day. Okay, good morning everyone. So it is currently about like 11, and we just finished getting ready, and we're about to head out. And this is the fit for going out. So I'm just wearing some white shorts, and then I have this like half sweater, so it just kind of goes like that. It doesn't really fill up my whole body. And then I got this crop top that goes like, it ties around my neck. Okay, so I just got out the shower, and now I'm going to watch some YouTube and play some Roblox with my friend. I want to get some of these. I think we're fine. Okay, so I just got home and I am so tired. I still have to unpack everything. So I might just like chill for a bit and then I'll start unpacking. Okay, so right now I'm gonna make a salad for dinner because I'm pretty hungry and that seems kind of easy to make. So I'm just gonna make that real quick. Okay, so I just finished eating and I'm just gonna unpack everything. So I got my iPad out, but we're gonna put away my makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the shower now, and I look absolutely busted. Like, I'm so tired, but I'm still kind of like in the mood for games, so we'll see. So I just finished playing and watching YouTube, and this is gonna be the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this second vlog, and stay tuned for more because there's gonna be more vlogs coming. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.